If you're looking for a way to save money while shopping, you've probably heard of Ibotta. It's one of the biggest cashback apps out there, promising real cash rewards for everyday purchases. But does it actually deliver? In this video, I share my honest experience using Ibotta, breaking down exactly how it works and whether it's worth your time. Signing up for Ibotta is simple. After downloading the app and creating an account, you browse cashback offers before shopping. These offers cover a range of categories, including groceries, clothing, electronics, and even travel. Unlike some cashback services that automatically apply savings, Ibotta requires you to activate offers before you shop, which can be a bit tedious. Once you selected your offers, you can shop online or in-store. For in-store purchases, you'll often need to scan your receipt to verify purchases and receive your cashback. Some retailers link directly to Ibotta, allowing for automatic cashback without the hassle of scanning. While this feature is convenient, not all stores support it, meaning you might still need to manually submit receipts. Earnings from Ibotta can be withdrawn to PayPal, a bank account, or converted into gift cards. However, there's a catch. The minimum cash-out threshold is $20. While that might not seem like a lot, it can take a while to accumulate enough cashback, especially if you're not a frequent shopper. Some users also report delays in payout processing, which is frustrating when you're expecting your earnings. Another downside is that many of the highest value cashback offers are for specific brands, which might not align with what you usually buy. If you're not loyal to those brands, you may find it difficult to maximize your savings. Additionally, some cashback offers have tricky terms and conditions, like requiring you to buy multiple items to qualify, which can be frustrating. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One thing I appreciate about Ibotta is its referral program. You can earn extra cashback by inviting friends, though the bonus structure changes frequently, making it difficult to predict how much you'll actually earn. It's a decent way to boost your savings if you have friends who are also interested in cashback apps. Security-wise, Ibotta is a legitimate platform with a strong reputation. However, some users have reported issues with accounts being flagged or deactivated, sometimes without clear explanations. This can be a major downside if you've accumulated a significant amount of cashback and suddenly lose access to your funds. Overall, Ibotta is a solid option for earning cashback, but it's not perfect. If you're willing to put in the effort to activate offers, scan receipts, and meet payout thresholds, it can be a useful tool. However, if you prefer a more automatic cashback experience, you might find it frustrating. Let me know in the comments if you've used Ibotta and what your experience has been like. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews on ways to save money.